Hi, everyone. So, in science, we are going to do some practice questions for our state test, which will be after spring break. Nothing to stress out about it. But here and there, we're going to do like 5 questions here and there just to get your brain in that testing mentality. Okay. So, as a warm up, you are going to go to the Sheffield Lake school website. Okay. And under staff, you will see air testing portal. Then you will click on students and families. Then you'll see one that says student practice site. Okay. On the real day, your teacher gives you a nice code that you enter and whatnot. But since this is practice, okay, we're going to go down here to grade 5. And then, just so you know, when you're on spring break or anytime you have downtime in school or on your Wednesdays, the website gives you many different practice tests. Okay, so in science, there's 6 of them. Okay, what I want you to do is pretend you're taking your state test. You have to do this independently. What I want you to do is click on this one. So, not this one, top right. Top right. G5 Science Spring 19 released items. Okay. Then on the real day, you can play around, check your volume and whatnot. But for practice, you just hit select and then you hit I heard the voice at the bottom here. Continue. Begin test now. Okay, so as a warm up, I would like you to kind of play around with the different practice features. It has masking, notes, line reader, zoom out and zoom in, and whatnot. Okay, kind of get familiar with how the test is. What I want you to do as a warm up, everyone should see this as their first question. Okay. A teacher is pushing a cart filled with books down a hallway with a wooden floor. Which change would help the teacher move the cart more easily? Okay, this involves Newton's laws. Would putting fewer books in the cart help move it easier? That would be weight, right? Removing the wheels from the cart, carrying the cart instead of rolling it, or laying carpet over the wooden floor? What would make it easier for the teacher? Okay, again, this does involve Newton's second law, actually. And think about it like you're taking the test. We obviously want to make it easier for the teacher. Think about it, and you're going to click your answer, actually fill it in. And the answer is A. So everybody clicks A. And the reason involves Newton's first law. So taking books away, okay, would decrease the weight, making it easier. Okay. So after doing number 1, if you click up here to next, okay, it takes you through all of the questions. And you could do this on the actual day of the test, ladies and gents. I'm a big fan of reading all of the questions first or just kind of scanning how the test looks, the different diagrams, and usually at the very end, especially reading, they have your nice extended response question. And I always try to get kids to take that extended response question first, the one that's going to take the most time. So that's a nice thing to know that you just hit next. So you see how many questions the test has. Some in science have diagrams, some are multiple choice, and some also are kind of analyzing tables and graphs. Okay. So we did number 1 together. What I would like you to do is number 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a warm up to kind of get your head in gear for this state test and try your best. Okay. Then I will go over what the answers for 2, 3, 4, and 5 are. Okay. So stop at 5 and we'll go over it.